Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to pin or unpin a folder to the File Explorer navigation pane in Windows 11. Pinning a folder to the navigation pane allows you to quickly access your frequently used folders without navigating through multiple locations every time. So let's get started. First, press Windows plus E key on the keyboard to open File Explorer. Now navigate to the folder you want to pin to navigation pane. For example, I want to pin this one Kamlesh folder to the left side navigation pane for quick access. So you need to select the folder, then right click on it, and then here choose pin to quick access. Now that particular folder will be available for quick access in the File Explorer navigation pane. Simply click on that folder to open its contents, and in case you want to unpin from navigation pane, select the folder again in the File Explorer, right click on it and click on the unpin from quick access. That's it. Now that particular folder will be removed from quick access of File Explorer. I hope this guide helped you. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more helpful Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.